Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand the mathematics part 2nd standard 10th and the chapter called Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to solve the third problem. It says in figure 2.13, this we are talking about this diagram. Angle PQR, this one angle PQR is of 90 degree. And segment QN, this is the QN, is perpendicular on segment PR. QN is perpendicular on PR, that means it forms 90 degree angle. And it is given that PN equals to 9 and NR equals to 16. Then find QN. So we have to find QN. Okay, this one we have to identify. So first we have to write the given part. So what is given? It is given that given triangle PQR is equals to 90 degree. Segment QN is perpendicular on PR and measure of PN equals to 9 and measure of NR equals to 16, which is given. Okay, so what we had to find? We had to find what do you have to find? The measure of QN. Okay, that we had to find. So now solution. See, it is nothing but the vertices, and we have drawn perpendicular on the hypotenuse. So by the theorem of geometric mean, by the theorem of geometric mean, we can write that QN equals to QN square equals to PN into NR. Okay, so we have to calculate Q1. So we have to take square root both the side. Therefore QN equals to, we can write root PN into NR. So now what is PN? PN is given here. It is 9 and NR is 16. Therefore QN equals to root PN is 9. So we have to write 9 and NR is 16. So we have to write 16. Now we know this 9 is square of 3 and 16 is square of 4. Therefore NQ or QN equals to 3 square into 4 square. So square and square root will get cancelled. Therefore what we will have? QN equals to 3/4. 3 into 4 and 3 into 4 is 12. Therefore QN equals to 12 and it is our answer. Okay, so in result we can write that the measure of NQ is 12 unit. Okay, so this is really very easy one. Okay, here you have to apply the theorem of geometric mean. Okay, so you have to write from here given. After given you have to write to find. After to find, see here we can give question mark also. Okay, then we have to write solution, and last but not the least is your result. So we have to write the result also. So result will be, what will be result? The measure of QN equals to 12. So unit is not given here, so we do not have to write unit. Okay, so students, this is the solution for this question. Okay, so write down. Now we are going to solve the fourth problem. Okay, see in figure 2.14, in triangle PQR, angle PQR is of 90 degree. So this one is of 90 degree. Segment QS. QS is perpendicular on segment PR. Then find X, Y and Z. So we have to find X, Y and Z. So we can calculate this X by the theorem of geometric mean. Therefore, in triangle, see here given in solution, in triangle PQR, angle PQR is 90 degree and segment QS is perpendicular on segment PR. Therefore, by the theorem of which theorem? Geometric mean. Geometric mean. We can write at square of QS. QS square equals to PS into SR. PS into SR. So, or we can write QSC. We are taking square root both the sides. So, what we will get? We will get QS equals to root PS into SR. Okay. So, QS equals to, what is PS? PS is 10. So, we have to write 10 here. Into SR. SR is 8. So, we have to write 8 here. Okay. So, QS equals to, see, 8 into 10 is 80. It is 80. So, the value of root 80 is QS equals to, it is 5 root 5 into, see, 5 into 16. We can write 16 into 5 is 80. Therefore, and this 16 is the square of 4. So, we can take 4 outside. So, QS equals to 4 root 5. So, this is the value of QS. Okay. And what is QS? QS is X. Therefore, X equals to 4 root 5. So, we have calculated it is nothing but the X equals to 4 root 5. Okay. Now, in triangle, now next, we have already calculated X. Now, for Y. For Y, we know that in right angle triangle, RSQ or QSR. In right angle triangle QSR angle QSR is equals to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we can write as square of y, that is square of hypotenuse, is equals to square of x plus square of SR. What is SR? It is 8. So y square equals to, what is x? X is nothing but 4 root 5. So we can write 4 root 5 and its square into 8 square. No, it is not square. Huh? So y square equals to, we can write what is x? X is 4 root 5 into 8. So we are calculating once again. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write as square of QR, that is y square, equals to x square plus 8 square. So what is x square? X square is, so y equals, what is x? X is 4 root 5. So it will be its square plus 8 square is 64. So y equals to, y square equals to, see 4 का स्क्वायर जाएगा 16 and 16 into 5 हो जाएगा 80. So it will become 80 plus 64. Okay. So y square equals to 80 plus 64 is 8 and 4 is 144. So 144 is nothing but square of 12. Therefore, y equals to root 144 and root 144 equals to 12. Therefore, y equals to 12. So, we got y also. Okay. Now, we will calculate z. So, in triangle PSQ, see, this is the first part, this is second part, and this is third part. In triangle, which triangle? PSQ. Angle PSQ equals to 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write as the square of z, that is hypotenuse. Square of z equals to x square plus 10 square. So z square equals to, what is x? X is 4.5. So 4 root 5. So 4 root 5 ka square plus 10 ka square is 100. Now z square equals to square of 4 is 16 into 5 is 80 plus 100. So z square equals to 80 plus 100 is 180. Okay. Now we had to cancel this square, so taking root both the side, we can write as z equals to root 180. Now we have to calculate the value of root 180. Okay, so we are solving in a simple way. See, we had to take 180 in this part and we have to divide it by 2. So 9 2s are 18 and 0. Now again 2 4s are 80, 2 4s are 8 and remaining 1 and 2 5s are 10, so 45. Now 3 से जाएगा, so 3 1 is 3 and 3 5s are 15. Then again 3, so 3 5s are 15. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 means square of 2 and 3 into 3 is square of 3 and root 5. See, ये square root क्या हो जाएंगे, cancel हो जाएंगे. So what we will have now? So we will have see here z equals to we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. सी इनका पेयर है तो ये बाहर आ जाएंगे. Therefore z equals to 3 2s are 6, से हो जाएगा 6 root 5. So in this way we have calculated all the measure of given right angled triangle. Okay, so if you want to write, you can take a screenshot also. Okay, so this is the first part, this is second part, and below the line is third part. Okay, so here completing our today's session. So students, आपके लिए आज homework. So student, on that basis you have to solve question number 2 and question number 3. They are as similar as the question that we have solved. Okay, you have to use geometric mean theorem here in both the question, and you have to find the side of measure of the side. Like here you have to find QR and here you have to find NQ. So these are as similar as the question that we have solved. Okay, so question number 2 and question number 3 is homework 5. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.